Hey, can you believe that AI is now composing music and singing songs like real artists? Yeah, no kidding. And I must tell you, it's so creative and advanced that the new possibilities are going to change the game for all content creators out there. I'm talking about tools that can craft entire songs with just text prompts. It can create melodies, beats, or any music for your requirements, and even vocals with ease. I mean, imagine all the struggles to find suitable music and the worst nightmare of getting copyright claims. You can say goodbye to all that because in this video, I'll count down the top 5 AI music tools that'll up your game in the content world. So stick around, and I'm Brand from Website Learners. Let's get started. So the first tool we are going to see is Music Gen. This tool lets you create copyright-free music in any style or theme you want. You just have to describe the music you want and the tool will create it for you. So let's see how it works. Here, just describe the kind of music you want and click Generate. And there you go. I like how it captured the mood I described. Now, you can also give inputs like the kind of instrument you want, the tempo, the percussions, etc. And it will create the exact music. So, let's say I enter drum and bass beat with intense percussion. Click Generate. Wow, that sounds great. Alright, let's say you have some reference music and you want to create something similar to that or try different styles. So to do that, we have an option here to upload the audio. So you can just upload your audio or describe the output you want. So let's try it out. I'm going to upload this. Yes, it's the famous music from Harry Potter. So let's drag it and drop it here. Now I'm going to ask it to create an Indian version of the theme. Now let's play it. It was really amazing. You can download it by clicking here. Alright, next on the list, we have SoundDraw.io. This one has a wide collection of genres, moods, and themes. You can just select the kind of music you want and it will create it for you. Let me show you how it works. Here you can select the length of the music you want to create. Then select the tempo. I want a fast tempo, so let me deselect these. Now here you can see different genres, moods, and themes. You can select the one you want. And there you go. It has created a set of tracks. So let's play some music. Sounds good, right? So you can check the rest of it and choose the one you want. And if you want to download it, you can just click here. Alright, moving on. Next we have Vocal Remover. If you're a content creator or you just love music, you'll definitely like this tool. This one lets you separate vocals and instrumentals in a song and it gives you 2 separate tracks of just voice and the background music. Interesting, right? Say you want to make a song cover or do a karaoke session. You can just take the music from any song you love, or say you want to listen to your favorite singer's voice and just melt in it. Let me show you how to use it. Just click on Remove Vocals and upload any song you want. I'm going to upload this one. This night is cold in the... So let's drag it and drop it. And click Separate now. There you go. It has separated the background music and the vocals. So let's check it out. Here we got the music. So let's play this one. This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. Wow, the voice is so clear. Amazing, right? Now, if you want to download the tracks, you can do it by clicking here. Okay, Coming up next, we have GravityWrite. This is an AI-powered content writing tool that can help you write lyrics for your songs. You know, writing lyrics can take a lot of time, but with this tool, you just have to describe the kind of song you want and it'll write beautiful lyrics for you. Let me show you. Just go to gravitywrite.com and sign up for free. Now go to Music Tools and select Lyrics Generator. Now here, describe the concept or the idea for your song. Enter your genre, enter the number of verses you want, and then mention the mood or emotion you want for the song to convey. Now click Create Content, and there you go. The lyrics is ready. Now what if I told you that you can convert these lyrics into a song with just a click? Check this out.
In a crowded room, our eyes first met.
Amazing, right? So the last tool on our list is SongR. This tool can create an entire song with just your text input. You can either say what kind of song you want and it will create it, or if you already have the lyrics, you can enter it to make your song. Let's see how it works. You can choose a genre from here and then either enter the kind of song you want to create, or if you already have the lyrics for your song, you can click here and enter your lyrics. So let me just copy and paste the lyrics we got from GravityWrite. And click render. There you go. We got the song.
In a crowded room, our eyes.
Wasn't that awesome? Now, if you click download, you can download the song as a video or an audio. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. I've given you the links to all the tools in the description below. Just give it a try and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite tool. Now if you're a YouTuber, you can watch this video where I'll show you some more interesting AI tools that will change the way you make videos. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this one. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.